In this program, we are going to understand how to use the arithmetic operators. So here what we are doing is we are taking three variables and we are giving the default values to them. We are saying A will be 20, B will be 10, and C will be 0. So these will be the default values for these variables. After that, we are putting a formula for addition and we are saying like A plus B, like add both the numbers and store the result in the third variable C. So that means 10 plus 20, that will be 30, and that 30 will be stored in this C variable. After that, we are printing the C variable using the print command, and we are saying the sum of A plus B is this C variable. After that, we are putting a calculation for subtraction of two numbers and we are using the same variable. So here you can see that in the first statement, in the first formula, the value of C will be different. After that, we are putting a different formula and storing the same value in the same variable. So again, the value of this variable will change automatically. So here for the difference of two numbers, we are saying A minus B, that would be like 20 minus 10, that will be 10. So 10 will be stored in this C variable and we are printing the result here, like the difference of the two numbers is this. After that, we are multiplying both the numbers, like 20 multiplied by 10, so that would be 200, and storing the result in C again and displaying the result up over here in the same way as we have done before. Likewise, we are dividing the numbers, like 20 divided by 10, and because you are using this slash symbol, this will return the quotient as the result. So here, like 20 divided by 10, that would be 2, because 10 twos are 20. So that 2 will be stored in the C variable and we are displaying the result using this print command. After that, we are using the modulo operator. This is also called as modulus operator. This is used to calculate the remainder. It's just like you divide 20 by 10 and you'll get like remainder as 0. So that 0 will be stored in the C variable and we are displaying that the remainder after dividing the two numbers is this much. After that, we are changing the values of A and B. Earlier you can see that we had the values 20 and 10. Now in the same program, after a couple of statements, we are just changing the values, like A is 2 and B is 3. So these are the latest values of those variables. So now the previous values will not be used and these values will be used. So here we are saying A double star B. This is the exponent basically. It's like to the power. It's just like 2 to the power 3. That means 2 cube. So that means 2 has to be multiplied 3 times. So 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. So that 8 will be stored in this C variable and we are going to display the result like this in the print statement. Exponent of 2 to the power 3 is 8. After that, we are changing the values of A and B one more time. So this time the previous values will be eradicated and the new values will be used. So here we are saying like A divided by B. That means this time it will be 10 divided by 5 and the quotient of that will be 2 because 5 twos are 10. So that 2 will be stored in the C variable and we are displaying the result using this print statement. We are saying that when 10 is divided by 5, so the result is 2. So this is the program that we have discussed, and click on the run module to see the output. And up over here you can see that addition of two numbers A plus B is 30, difference is 10 because it was like 20 and 10, the values of A and B. So 20 plus 10 is 30, 20 minus 10 is 10. After that, multiplication, 20 multiplied by 10 is 200, and then you are using this. If I just put it side by side, it would be easy for you to understand. So we have done addition, subtraction, multiplication, and then we are doing the division, so which says like 20 divided by 10 is 2, and then you are calculating the remainder here if you follow my mouse pointer. So the remainder is 0, and after that you are changing the values. A is 2, B is 3, and we are finding the exponent like 2 to the power 3. That means 2 has to be multiplied 3 times. So that would be like 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So 8 is the result. After that, we have changed the value of A and B one more time, 10 and 5, and we are saying that 10 divided by 5, that is giving you the quotient as 2.